Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best curling iron in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Ionic and ITIPRO by CONAIR Tourmaline 1-inch ceramic curling iron. 1-inch barrel produces classic curls for use on short, medium, and long hair. Get ready for long-lasting, medium bouncy curls. The Infinite Pro by CONAIR Tourmaline ceramic curling iron with Nano technology delivers beautiful, shiny curls that are sure to make you the envy of all your friends. This 1-inch barrel curling iron has an extra smooth tourmaline ceramic surface for superior performance and produces beautiful curls every time. For you science lovers out there, the curling iron's nanotechnology fuses microparticles of tourmaline ceramic and silver to emit natural frizz-reducing ions for long-lasting curls and waves. This also ensures even heat and eliminates hot spots for less hair damage. With true ceramic heat, this curling iron heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 30 seconds and has infrared technology to generate hair-friendly heat that's gentle on hair and enhances shine. Number 4. Shark HD 430 FlexStyle Air Styling and Drying System. Powerful hair blow dryer and multi-styler with auto wrap curlers, paddle brush, oval brush, concentrator attachment, stone. Multi-styling tool. Rotate the powerful hair dryer and transform it into a versatile multi-styler. Amps 10.83, cord length 58. Curl VOLUMIZE, smooth and dry. The versatile stylers attach to the styling wand and hairdryer and give you the power to explore styles for any hair type. No heat damage, giving you fast drying while maintaining low heat, measuring and regulating temperatures 1000x per second to ensure consistent air temperature. Rather than getting hotter as it runs, Shark minimizes heat exposure and regulates temperatures. Powerful, fast drying. It may be compact and lightweight at just over 1.5 volts. But FlexStyle gives you power and speed for ultra-fast performance. Style while you dry with no heat damage. Number 3. P3 Switch Kit Professional Ionic Interchangeable Curling Iron with 3 ceramic clip and wand long barrels for curling and waving, 9 adjustable heat settings and ion generator, white/rose gold. This clever tool is perfect for cutting down on beauty bag bulk. The set comes with 3 barrels for triple the looks and is particularly excellent for curling thick hair. A single styling session gave us shampoo commercial-level bounce that lasted for days. Somehow, we always end up losing a few good strands to deadly clamps, but with the T3, our hair never once got stuck. We also loved the huge variety of heat settings, so we didn't have to settle for too hot temps, which diffused evenly down the barrel, no fried ends. It was also pretty light, and we managed to curl all the way around in 20 minutes. Number 2. Ionic Long Barrel Styler. With a barrel that's 2 inches longer than the average curling iron, this iron is an excellent choice for those with long hair. We curled our almost waist-length strands in one go, never needing to go over the same section twice. We just kept wrapping our hair around the barrel until we reached the end. We bet even those with shorter hair will find the barrel length helpful to grab the hard-to-reach pieces in the back. One small but mighty detail we loved was the generously sized cool tip at the end of the barrel, so we could control the iron without burning our fingers. We were able to craft loose, beachy waves without much effort. We didn't even need to brush our hair once we were finished because this iron produced such natural-looking waves. Number 1. Puro Nano Titanium Professional Spring Curling Iron for all hair types. When curling short hair, you have limited real estate to get the perfect ringlet, and irons with long barrels aren't the easiest to maneuver. But because this Babyliss tool has a short wand and a gentle yet effective clamp, it was super simple for us to form smooth, glorious curls, leaving our shoulder-length hair free of any harsh bends or creases that we sometimes get from other irons. We had the option to choose between 4 barrel sizes, and we tested the 0.75-inch. At first, we were annoyed by how long it was taking us to curl our hair. After all, smaller barrels meant we had to use smaller sections of hair. Despite our grumbling, that extra time was worth the effort. Firm, stunning curls with kangaroo levels of bounce. With a quick finger comb and light brushing, along with a spritz of hairspray, the style slayed all day and night. We even rocked the wavy remnants the next day.